In case you need to transport your Carbon 1 Pro, it is a good idea that pack it in a good way. 1. Unbind the bike. If you need to return the bike, please unbind the bike with your app. Go to the Smart Bar page, scroll down to the bottom, click Deactivate. 2. Disassemble the bike. Disassemble the bike in the following order as shown. Remove the battery for safety. Take off the tail light. Take out the seat post and the clamp. Be careful not to loose it. Next, remove the pedals using the 6mm hex wrench. Turn it towards the back of the bike. Now, let's take off the handlebar and the Smart Bar box. Pull the cable out gently and unplug the cables. Loosen the screw of the Smart Bar box using the 2.5mm hex wrench. Unscrew the clamping screw and loosen the stem screw using the 5mm hex wrench. Pull up the handlebar. Put back the protective house and the cover. Screw back the clamping screw. Remove the front fender. Remember to screw all the screws back onto the fork. Next, detach the front wheel. Unscrew the axle using the 5mm hex wrench from the front wheel. Take off the front wheel and put the front fork on the floor gently. Put the protection plate on the dropout, brake clipper, and the front wheel. Put back the battery. Take off the kickstand, screw the screws back onto the kickstand. Apply the protective material on the bike. Next, put the seat post in the box. Then put the bike back in. Collect front wheel and front fender into its original box. Collect all the tools and accessories into its original box. Put the accessories box, kickstand, front wheel box back into the box, and all the supportive material back in as shown. Close the box, and you have complete the procedure, and please tight the outside of the box firmly, so it don't fall out when it transport. For more help, please contact support@URTOPIA.com.